Hello everyone, how are you all? So today is day 3, 20 February 2026. So I am walking 10 kilometers regular basis. So I get up early 5 a.m. and started walking 5:10. Okay, so I almost cover 5 kilometers. So now this sun will be rising, so I think it will better time to take the video or blog of my 6 minutes of my life into social media. So as you all know, I am a teacher by profession and I started working due to my heavy fat in my belly. So this is the process in which we can lose belly fat. So I saw something in YouTube shorts that walking is the best way to lose fats. So I decided to start walking 10 kilometers regularly. So I follow this routine just wake up morning and started walking. If you have any suggestion, you can tell me in comment section so that I can follow that in my daily routine. Okay, let's talk about my yesterday life in my school. So this was very boring because some of my director come to the school and invite to the function which is held in 23rd February in the hometown. So we are invited to this occasion and having lunch in their home. So in my school there is something unnecessary things happen. So in my school, this is from LKG to K12. Okay, so I teach 11 and 12 students, sometimes 10 students. Okay, but I feel that some of the teachers which I joined this school from the starting of this school are in the high position. They are believe himself not just a coordinator but just a vice principal or a director, somehow director or somehow chairman to answer for himself. And they always wanted to dominate our colleagues and other senior teachers also. So I am the youngest and senior most teacher in my school. Senior most in the sense I teach 11th, that's why I am senior. But all the coordinators belongs to LKG or UKG sections. So they always try to impose me some roles, etc. But I don't think I can and obey that rule directly or indirectly by any chance, because I know my value. So I decided to not reply him or her directly, but I just listen the words and ignore the work and all the things they can wanted that I do. So yes, this is the thing. And also in my career there will be a new session only started from the March. So I decided that I can talk to the chairman sir for the increment. I want 20% of increment in my salary, because 20% is far enough, because same salary I got from 2023 from different schools. So I just get a 20%, just wanted to get a 20% increment. But I don't have the courage to enter into the chairman room and talk with them, because I am the person. If I talk to the chairman, if he say something ordinary, he say something not just ordinary, some like threatening me or in the sense of negative, I just quit this course directly from that chamber. So this is the problem. with me. So yeah, I think I will go to the 11th chamber and peacefully talk that. So I just wanted to tell you that you just give me 20% hike in the March session, because in that salary I cannot survive here. So simple thing. And if she agree, then it's okay. If he doesn't, then I think I should take a leave and choose or search another school for that salary, so that I have to select a inter-state school or outside the state. But in that session, I need that much of salary, which I calculated just 20% hike after whatever I get in that salary. Okay, so this is the blog view, and I think this is the front. Okay, don't think much. Whatever you think that you can do, and be yourself. Just trust the process, and you will be definitely get what you want. Okay, bye. Thank you, everyone.